All right, so we decided to come out and spend the night, do a fishing overnight at one of these deserted islands, and it's an island that's really close by here in the Houston area. I would say it's west of Freeport, but I'm out here with weird fish, and hopefully we get on some fish, man. We're gonna be up all night, do some night fishing, and we're gonna try to catch some reds as well. I want you to meet this guy. He likes to fish. He's actually, this is Josh.
Yes.
Hey, what have you caught so far?
Nothing yet. We actually just got here.
And what have you caught in the past?
Oh, bass. I've caught a couple of reds, trout, just like that, just that general stuff.
Man, that's awesome. See, everybody's fishing. There's a fishing fever right now, but we're gonna try to get on some fish later this evening. I saw a couple of reds. First flounder of the day. Not bad. All right, get over here. Let's take a look at, see what we got here. Boy, he hit it. He hit it right when I cast it. Boy, he choked this one. Let me get this guy out of here. All right, look at this, folks. Got my first little flounder. Not bad. So you might just keep, because I'm hungry tonight. And here we go. Oops, there's flounder in here. They're all eating right there. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Oh shoot. Let's go this way. Let's go back this way. He's about 15 and a half, a little over 15 and a half. Not bad. So we got dinner. So I'm excited because I thought I wasn't gonna eat today, but I guess we are gonna eat tonight. 15 and a half flounder. Not bad, not bad. See if I can get another one, because that's just 4 little fillets, but you know what? Good enough for me and weird fish. Man, it's been a blast out here. I'm trying so hard to catch dinner, because we're gonna be here for a while, all night. And I had breakfast, I didn't have lunch, and I didn't have dinner. I didn't bring anything except for seasoning and stuff like that, because I really want to be able to have something to live off the land, live off of the water tonight. We'll try it again, see if we can catch another flounder. 2 flounders would be great. Well, it's getting dark now. I got to get back to camp. I got 1 flounder. That's dinner for tonight. Got the fire going. I still have that shrimp.
I saw that bitch come up and I'm like, mustard?
Hell yeah.
Huh?
Hell yeah, dude. I grew up with mustard, dude. Wieners and mustard, that's it. And a bread. And I'm good to go. So you think those guys are gigging?
I mean, I don't see what else they could be doing. encapsulate. That's all that's saying.
Yeah, but we got to put some kind of lights, right?
Yep.
That's the only way to do it. Getting the coffee ready right here. It's about 6 in the morning, and we just woke up, getting ready to drink some coffee. It was a tough night, I will say this, you know, but also a really pleasant night because, you know, you can actually see the stars, and we're out here in a primitive, isolated piece of land, and it's got everything here, man. The only way you can get back here is by boat. That's it. There's no other way you can get in here. We have the ocean view, and then we have the marsh system, and it's just, you know, nobody out here, just you and nature, primitive. We're gonna fish for a little bit this morning, then we're gonna pack up and head back home. Just give you a little bit of our morning view. There's his ride. Look at that beautiful bay. And there's mine right there. Look at that tail. Anyways, this little guy was eating right along the side of the shoreline right here at this bay. And Tim actually saw him first. He saw he was chunking on all that bait right here. But anyways, we're gonna let him free. There he goes right there. He got lucky today. Early morning breakfast. Nice little red. Little rat red. 5-pound test. A blue tail. Look at that, dude. That's a nice tail. And he's gone. Look what we have here. caught this bad boy. He's about 21 inches. Not bad. He's right there. It's just one, I think. It can't be. Look at that. I can see his tail. His tail's right there. I think the reds are gone now. I think I'm done, bro. I'm going back to camp. Start packing up. Awesome time here, bro. Awesome time. Show me a stringer, baby. Show me that stringer. Just playing around. WF. Weird fish. This boy must have caught about 3 or 4 reds. He got himself a nice little Texas slam, I believe. Got himself a beautiful flounder. We still haven't measured it yet, but that was awesome. Man, we came out here and we camped out in a remote location. Only place you can get out here, I mean, the only way you can get out here is on a boat or kayaks. We fished in the evening. We fished early in the morning. We came into the marsh. We've got reds in the morning. We got reds here in the marsh. A ton of fish. I didn't see a lot of kayakers here. I didn't see any boats. It's just a really, really nice area to fish. I'm probably going to come out here again. It's probably going to be one of my best places to come and fish. But anyways, if you like this video, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. It'll tell you every time I pull a video up. And see you in the water. Peace out.